This journey is hard, very hard. I thank God for a fully supportive partner who changes heads accordingly. Sometimes he is my priest who prays for me without ceasing. Sometimes he is my researcher, sometimes my nurse who administers my medication, helps me find sleeping positions. Sometimes he is my voice of reason. When I want to give up, my driver, my rickshaws only guqulayo, sometimes my big brother othethayo and give good counsel, my shoulder to cry on, angibekezelele. Akulula ukuhlala nomuntu ogulayo, my encourager. Ngiyabonga Archbishop Mpendulo Nkambule, Agasolo Sutfu, Zilankatha, Tilankatha, for walking the walk. Waliphila izwi, izingane azingufakazi. May God protect you and strengthen you. Choose your partner wisely before the vows. Pray, disclaim, umxele kuJehova in sickness and in health. Hello Mzansi, welcome to Asikhulume with Pro. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click at the subscribe button. Igama lami ngiMprudence Sibonga Ngomane. So we know ukuthi uZanele Mpokazi usishiyile emhlabeni, guys, and uMzansi is so sad, uva buhlungu, guys. Balabaningi basathukile bashaqekile ngendlela lesimanga. It's like she knew ukuthi she was gonna leave this world soon. Kesana wabhala imessage la iqondise kusithando senhlitiyo yakhe lekunguye phela ubabu Bishop Nkambule. Kesana we've seen ubaba Bishop Nkambule praying for umfati wakhe, amqulela, amtshela nokuthi cancer will not win, she will live, she will survive, she will be healed. Kesana, like guys, we all need madoda la so empilweni. Umuntu longakushiyi ngisho sekumatima, longakushiyi ngisho ase ugula. So uZanele before ndlule emhlabeni ubongile nje komuntu wakhe ukuthi uyabonga ukuthi ube nayo ngisho agula wamnakekela, guys, and sibonile ukuthi umnakekele until the last day. Waze waba indvodza emadvozeni. Mzansi, upload ubaba Nkambule. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.